Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the last topic of chapter number 9, inverse inversion of temperature. Inversion of temperature, and also we discuss about the distribution of the temperature in the world. First of all, we discuss about inversion of temperature. What is inversion of temperature? In last class, we discussed about the factors affected the temperature. The factors affected the temperature distribution, and now here the inversion of temperature. In last class we discussed that the temperature is increased, the temperature is decreased, the temperature is decreased according to altitude. According to altitude, the temperature decreases with increase in the elevation. जैसे जैसे हम क्या करेंगे, हाइट में अपर साइड में जाएंगे, the temperature is decreased, that is called the NLR, और NLR is here once per 165 meter 1 degree Celsius temperature is decreased. Per 165 meter 1 degree Celsius temperature is decreased. But here just opposite situation here. Opposite situation here. The situation is reverse here, and the NLR is inverted. NLR is inverted. So what situation here? Then according to elevation the temperature is increased. According to elevation the temperature is increased. This condition is known as the inversion of temperature. Inversion of temperature. What happened here? Then जब क्या हो रहा है ना, सरफेस से अपर साइड में जा रहे हैं, according to NLR temperature is decreased. But here the opposite situation here. What situation here? Here the result here the reversal here situation. What here? The temperature is increased according to the elevation. According to the height the temperature is increase. Here what happened? Here cold air nearby the surface, and hot air upper side. This situation is known as the inversion of temperature. नीचे तो क्या होता है, bottom side में here the cold air and the upper side here the hot air. This condition then temperature is increased according to elevation. This condition is known as the inversion of temperature. This condition is known as the inversion of temperature. Like here the example, like here mountain range and this valley region in the night time. Then here the cold wind and the cold winds according to altitude. ये क्या हो रहा है, according to slope cold wind कहाँ पे आ रही है, in the valleys. Cold wind in the valleys here. Cold wind in valleys here, and these cold winds क्या करेगी, ये जो hot wind है यहाँ पे उसको क्या करेगी, अपर साइड में कर देगी, and the upper is hot wind. This situation is like this, and this situation is known as the inversion of temperature. Inversion of temperature. Clear? Here also we discuss about the Planck's law. What is the Planck's law? The states that hotter a body, the more energy it will radiate, and shorter the wavelength of the radiation. Wavelength of the radiation. So first of all, what is the wavelength? Then the waves, and these are known as wavelength. These are known as wavelength. Clear? This is wavelength. Here to here, this distance is known as the wavelength. This distance is known as the wavelength, and wavelength is the shorter. Wavelength is shorter according to Planck's law. So what is Planck's law? States that hotter body, यानी कि जो बड़ी जितना गर्म होगी, ठीक है, ये जो बडीज है, ठीक है, ये जितना गर्म होगा, जितना हॉट होगा, the more energy it will be radiated, और इससे जो रिफ्लेक्ट होने वाली एनर्जी है वो क्या होगी, उससे भी ज्यादा होगी, ठीक है, the more energy it will radiated, and the shorter the wavelength of the radiation. जो रेडिएशन का wavelength है वो कैसा होगा, shorter. This is the Planck's law. And the specific heat, what is specific heat? The energy needed to rise the temperature of 1 gram of the substance by 1 degree Celsius. क्या करना है, यानी जो 1 ग्राम सब्सटेंस है 1 ग्राम, इस 1 ग्राम सब्सटेंस का टेम्परेचर क्या करना है, इंक्रीज करना है 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस, और इसके लिए जो एनर्जी चाहिए होती है, दिस एनर्जी इज नॉन एज स्पेसिफिक heat. The energy needed to raise the temperature of the sustains by 1 degree Celsius is known. This energy is known as the specific heat. This energy is known as the specific heat. Now we discuss about the distribution of temperature. Distribution of temperature. What is distribution of the temperature? That the distribution of the temperature. Distribution of temperature is uneven in all our world. Uneven in all our world. Here, then we want to discuss about the distribution of the temperature. Then we discuss. We consider about the isotherm. Isotherm. What is isotherm? Then the lines which join the regions have the equal temperature. Regions have the equal temperature. Then here this region have the 10 degree Celsius. This region also have the 10 degree Celsius, 10 degree Celsius, 10 degree Celsius. Then this line join all these. This line join all these the places which have the same equal temperature is known as the isotherm. And then we want to discuss about the distribution of the temperature. Then we discuss about the January temperature and the July isotherm. The isotherm of the January, isotherm of the July, isotherm of the January and the isotherm of the July. And in the northern hemisphere, these have in the curve, and the southern hemisphere this is the isotherm. The isotherm is parallel of the isotherm is this in south hemisphere. The here the latitudes, and the isotherm is also the parallel of the latitudes. In north hemisphere these isotherm have the curve. In this isotherm have the curve, not here the parallel of the latitudes. Here the different temperature found in the world, different temperature distribution found in the world. Totally we can say that the uneven distribution of temperature in the both hemisphere. Then here the difference of the temperature is also the difference of the temperature in the one place is also here the unequal found in the world. The range of the temperature is also found uneven. What is range of the temperature? According to the highest range of temperature more than 60 degrees over found in the northeast part of the northeast Eurasia. Here the maximum range of temperature found in the northeastern part of the Eurasia. Clear? Here the range of the temperature से mean क्या होगा? The difference in temperature. Here the low temperature and the high temperature. The difference of the particular this place, a place, and winter season here the temperature 0 degree Celsius, and the summer season here the temperature 20 degree Celsius. Then here the difference of the places. And the difference in temperature in the particular places is known as the range of temperature. And the highest range of temperature found in the world in northeastern Eurasia. Here the highest range of temperature found. Clear? Today we will discuss about the inversion of temperature and the distribution of the temperature. And then we will show your map in your book. Here the map in your book about the range, about the distribution of surface air temperature in the month of July. Then what we see, we see that in the southern hemisphere here the all the isotherm is equal, parallel to the latitude. In the northern hemisphere here in the July month here also the have the curve in the isotherm, and in the January month here in southern hemisphere here the water part, ocean part. Then here the isotherm is parallel of the oceans. Isotherm is parallel of the latitudes. In the northern hemisphere here the temperature the isotherm have the climbing here. ठीक है, have curve the isotherm in the northern hemisphere.